Lesson 10, Types of Forex Charts. In today's lesson, we're going to look at the most popular charts. When there's a simple line that connects the open, low, high, and closing price, it is known as a line chart. This chart will look clean and there will not be any market noise captured in this chart, giving a clear indication of the resistance and support levels. Bar charts show us the opening, closing, low, and high prices for each given section. The horizontal line on the left shows the opening price. The bottom of the vertical line shows the lowest price at a specific time period. The top of the line shows the highest price at a specific time period. The horizontal line on the right shows the closing price. This is the most popular type of chart. In most trading literature, you will find charts displayed exactly like this. Candlestick charts display the same information as bar charts, but the visual representation is a lot better. The big blocks are called real bodies. On top of the vertical lines of the block, you will notice the upper shadows, and the lines that are under it are known as the lower shadows. Usually, if the real body is in a lighter color, the currency closed above its opening price. But if the real body is in a darker color, currency closed lower than it opened. Don't worry about the colors for now, because in most trading platforms, you can easily customize them as you like. The main advantage over any other chart is the excellent visual representation that the candlestick provides. It shows clearly who is in control, bulls or bears. I can't say that any of the charts are better than others, but I would advise beginners to stick with candles for now.